In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get iOS 26 on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Install iLiquid app from Play Store. First open the Play Store. Then search for one iLiquid app. Install this app on your phone. Then open the Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. In the search bar, type Good Lock. Tap on the Good Lock app and install it. Launch the Good Lock app. Inside the app you need to install Theme Park. After that open the Theme Park. Go to Icons. And tap Create New. Select Icon Pack. Now select the app that we installed previously. And save the changes. Now apply the new icons. Now you have iOS 26 icons on your phone.